was sadistic, it was structured, it was organised. You know, it was hell, and we had 4 days of it.
Every time someone went to the toilet, they stepped on someone's wounds, on their feet, on their heads. The Muslim men allowed me, an Irish white doctor, cuddle them like a mother. All barriers were broken.
All of us went through beatings. There was many broken bones. There was all sorts of fractures. We had no medical assistance apart from the amazing doctors here. And absolutely no medical aid or painkillers of any sort.
At the same time, we were being tortured by Israel and a prison ship. The Irish government were voting not to sanction them.
Israel believe that if they punish people enough, people will give up. They believe if they punish the Palestinians enough, the Palestinians will give up. I think at this stage it has been proven that they will not give up.